Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how advanced drones like the AYK-350 heavy load VTOL and the AYK-350 Pro heavy load VTOL cargo delivery drone combo are transforming mapping and surveying. The AYK-350 heavy load VTOL is designed to be precise and efficient. It measures 3,500 mm wingspan and 35 kilograms takeoff weight, which it utilizes to transport cutting-edge sensors such as LIDAR and multispectral cameras. This makes it ideal for topographic surveys, infrastructure planning, and building inspection. Operating at 28 mprs and 3,000 m ceiling altitude, it covers extensive areas cost-effectively while offering breathtaking precision. It is also used in forestry, flood simulation, and 3D terrain mapping. The AYK-350 Pro Heavy Load VTOL is not to be outdone. It has a maximum flight time of 2.5 hours and cruises at 22 mprs, thus making it perfect for long-range surveys. Its VTOL feature allows it to land and take off almost anywhere, including hard-to-reach areas. The drone finds extensive application in agricultural analysis, pipeline and power line inspections, mining surveys, and coastal erosion studies, providing high-resolution data each time. These drones not just take to the skies, but also fly intelligently. Using GPS-guided flight paths, they capture sharp images and data, which are then translated into 3D maps and precise survey reports. Since they do not need a runway, they can fly freely in the city and in open fields, cutting logistics and saving time. With their lengthy flight times, high speeds, and state-of-the-art sensors, these drones speed up surveying, making it cheaper and more accurate. Whether used for land surveying, environmental inspections, or infrastructure construction, they are the go-to tool for today's professionals. If you like this video, hit a like, share, and subscribe for more updates. For the best offers on these drones, check out www.xboom.in.